By the name of Allah who is kind and merciful. In this video I am going to discuss the definition of agriculture in its various branches and sub-branches. So let's define agriculture. The word agriculture is derived from Latin words ager meaning field or farm and cultura means cultivation. So the word agriculture may be defined as the practice of cultivating soil, harvesting crops and raising livestock. So agriculture includes farming both animals and plants. The major branches of agriculture, we are going to start. The first major branch of agriculture is agronomy. Agronomy is defined as the branch of agriculture that deals with the principles and practices of crop production and field management. The second major branch of agriculture is horticulture. Horticulture deals with the scientific study and cultivation of fruits, vegetables, flowers, and shrubs. There are various sub branches of horticulture which are described here. So the first branch is pomology. It deals with the growing of fruits, plants. The second branch is floriculture. It deals with the growing of vegetables. And the third branch is floriculture. It deals with the growing of flowers. And the fourth branch is landscape horticulture. It deals with the growing of ornamental plants. So the third major branch of agriculture is forestry. It may be defined as the science of management of forest land so as to achieve the maximum economic benefit as adversely affecting the soil or climate conditions of locality. The forestry is further divided into sub-branches, in which the first one is agroforestry. It is an approach to land use based on deliberate integration of trees and shrubs in crop and livestock production system. The second sub-branch of forestry is arboriculture. It deals with the cultivation, management and study of individual trees, shrubs, vines and other perennial woody plants. Now we are going to discuss the fourth branch of agriculture. The major branch of agriculture is the animal husbandry. Animal husbandry deals with the taking care of animals as well as how to breed them. It is composed of applied animal physiology, nutrition, breeding and genetics, ecology, ethology, livestock and poultry management. So animal husbandry is further divided into sub-branches, in which the first one is veterinary sciences. Veterinary sciences deal with the disease management of animals. The second sub-branch of animal husbandry is nomadic pastoralism. It deals with the keeping of cattle while moving from one region in search of pasture and clean water. Now we shall discuss the minor branches of agriculture, in which the first minor branch is soil and water sciences. This branch deals with the geological generation of soil and water physics and chemistry and all other factors relevant to soil fertility. The second minor branch of agriculture is agricultural economics. It is the branch of agriculture that deals with the utilization of scarce resources. It aims at maximizing outputs and minimizing costs. It includes agricultural finance, policy, marketing, farm and agribusiness management, rural sociology, and agricultural law. The third minor branch of agriculture is agricultural engineering. It is a branch of agriculture that deals with the use and maintenance of farm tools, machinery, and structures. It includes selective areas of mechanical, electrical, environmental, civil engineering, construction technology, hydraulics, and soil mechanics. that are related to agriculture and farm problems. It has four sub-branches. The four sub-branches of agricultural engineering is: first one is farm power and machinery engineering, second is farm structure engineering, third is soil and water control engineering, and fourth one is electric power and processing engineering. The third sub-branch of agriculture is food sciences and other post-harvest technologies. A group of sciences and technologies deal with the processing, storage, distribution, and marketing of agricultural commodities and byproducts. The fourth one is fisheries and aquaculture, the science of producing fish and other aquatic resources for the purpose of providing human food or obtaining fish products such as fish oil. The fifth minor branch of agriculture is lake culture. Lake culture is the scientific management of lake insects to obtain a high amount of quality lake. This involves selection and maintenance of host plants, incubation of host plants with healthy lake insects, collection and processing of lake and uh, protection against enemies. In the sixth minor branch of agriculture is apiculture, the minor branch of agriculture that deals with the rearing of honeybees for honey production. Seventh minor branch is plant pathology. It deals with the study of pathogens, effects, and their control measures. The eighth minor branch is entomology, the study of insects, their effects on crops, and the control measures dealings with the insects. The ninth minor branch of agriculture is genetics, the study of genes, genetic variation, and heredity in living organisms is called genetics. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon